Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a video on this 1996 Chevy CK2500 Cheyenne, K9 I think. And if you haven't seen the video on the 1994 Suburban, click it up there. It's a very good video. So first we're going to talk about the things that have been done to it. Got these very nice bed rails. And you got these new tail lights. And over there another new tail light. I installed the tailgate handle because the other one didn't work. Now it works great. And then this was installed, the hitch. So, if you get to the interior, I'll put horsepower and torque on the screen somewhere because I don't know that much about this. It's got 72,000 miles. The original radio, not original speakers. Speakers have also been replaced. Your lights. So I'll show around the lights first. Hazards. And I'll pop the hood for you guys. Wherever the hood release is, it's different than the 94 Suburban. Alrighty. So, I didn't shut that all the way. Gonna slam it like a Chevy. So I'm a Ford guy. Okay, whatever. I think it's right here. It has a 350 small block, a 350 Vortec. The Vortec is way better because it's fuel injected. So this is a way better motor. I can hear the relay clicking. Way better motor than the non-Vortec. And a little bit more horsepower. So get your halogen bulbs in the headlights. I'm pretty sure you have to replace that entire thing. Get your turn signal bulbs. Chevy badge. Turn signals and halogen are the same, so it's just a reflector. I also added on the chrome rings and the beauty rings and the chrome caps. 2500 badge, K9 badge, right, your fuel tank, which I'll put on the screen how many gallons it is right up there. You got your bumper right here, your very nice tail lights that I also installed these tail lights and a third brake light. Video is right there. And you also got your hitch receiver with your connections right there. Yeah, there's not much to this one compared to the Suburban because the Suburban had a little bit more. You also have the same type of incandescent, I think, bulbs right there. And that third brake light up there is a LED third brake light, so it's not the same as the other one. Also, you have your Chevrolet stickers all going across right here. It's overall in pretty decent condition. Also, for some reason, this has this weird exhaust tip shape. I don't know why Chevys are like that from this era, but they are. We'll have your other K9 badge. Radio antenna right here. Your cowling. It's also in good shape. Get your tires and chrome bumpers. It's pretty nice for a 1996. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the inside. Turn off that annoying buzzer sound. There we go. So I'll start it up like I did in the last one. This is actually a cold start because I'm pretty sure it was moved a couple hours ago, so it's not really a cold start. But yeah, I'll show you guys it starting up. Now let's show you some of the things in this interior. Thank you for shutting up. So you have your light controls right here. So your dimmer, if you want to dim that. Same thing for the lights. It actually dims the lights on the radio. I didn't know that. Then you got your cabin light right there. Your two buttons right here to turn on the side ones. You got your very nice AC that I really need right now. I'll turn it down for the video, but you really need that AC right now. You got your steering wheel, basic steering wheel, no cruise control. Here's what the horn sounds like, because I did this on a Suburban too. Oh yeah, horn doesn't work on this, I forgot about that. You got this little, oh, it's a cup holder, and it folds out into two, so you got two cup holders right there, an aftermarket thing of cup holders right there. You got your brake, trailer brake controls. I don't think that does anything when you actually push it. You got your 4-speed automatic transmission with your first, second, third, and just drive gear right there. That's so if you're towing, you don't keep going through gears. So let's say you're towing a lot, you put it in first, and when you shift it, you go, oh, second, and third. Then you probably would leave it in that while you're towing. Then when you park, put it in park, obviously. You got your factory radio, which I don't know if it's on station right now. Yeah, let's find a better song.
You begin to count the theories.
Alright, let's try not to get copyrighted here. Yeah, get your nice vents. Your AC controls right here, just basic knobs, as this is a work truck. Get your manual crank windows, which I love crank windows actually over power, because you never have problems with these breaking or anything like normal power windows. Get your RPM gauge, which is actually nicer than the Suburban. Just so the Suburban doesn't have RPMs, so if you rev it, you have RPMs right there. So that's good if you're towing a lot. You get your speedometer, goes to 100, which is a big deal for the 90s, because the Suburban only goes to like 80, 85. Get your oil, temperature, heat, your pressure, coolant stuff. Oh, that's the temperature of the engine, so it is kind of a cold start, I guess. That's why I only revved it to like 2,000 RPMs, because your automatic lights, which actually have been disabled, you have to do this trick, and you can disable automatic running lights. For some reason, Chevys from this era are like, oh, let's put running lights on a work truck. And you got your little sun visors right there. I think this one actually has a mirror, because you know how luxurious these things were. Open the glove box, make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, this is charger cable. You open the glove box, got a nice good amount of storage. You get your vents right here. You have a vent right here. Your spots. So if you have 4-wheel drive, I'm assuming, it would have the buttons here, or it would have a shifter down there for the 4-wheel drive, like the Suburban does. Got your door handles, which is also different than the Suburban. Get your locks, manual locks. To have your dash. Just ignore that. Ignore that. To be fair, this is a 1996, so I mean, you expect. You have your nice rear view mirror right here. Look, you can even see me. This is a pretty overall like good truck. Got your controls for like your wipers and stuff. I think it's supposed to. I don't know how this works. And you have your high beams. You got your turn signals. You get your cargo lamp, which I'll show you guys that. It is, for some reason, not turning on. But now, there we go. Got your LED cargo lamp and brake light. And this will make it shut up. So if you ever want, a life hack, just duct tape that, and then it'll shut up. It's actually not making a sound no more. Door pockets right here, door speakers. Not sure what that is. It looks like just some sort of vent for the outside. And also, I'm pretty sure if you do that, you can look back there. You got your tools back here. You can go up, put like subs back here. Personally, that's what I do. Put a little sub, like a 10 back there. You got some hooks right there to put all kinds of, like, I don't know what you can put on there. You can put anything on those hooks. Your headliner, which isn't falling down, which is good for a GM, because GM's headliners would fall down. You don't see many of these anymore because they've all been used and beat up. This still is, it's not a perfect truck. There's always some cosmetic issues with it that you will not see on camera. That's fine. That's fine. So I want to see comments of, you didn't show this and that and this and that. Yeah, oh well. Yeah, good running truck. 350, last decades. One of the most popular motors. So yeah, shut this bad boy off. Can you like shut up? Thank you. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.